Welcome to our little walkthrough through the self-evaluation you need to fill out for your master degree application. Here at the beginning, we have three links about some useful information. The first link is the homepage of the Digital Sciences, where all important information is listed as well. Some additional informations can be found on the TH Cologne site, and down here will be linked the video you currently listen to. So for the master's degree, there are 4 study fields you can choose from. Business Information Systems, long for BIS, Data Information Science, also called DIS, IT Management, called ITM, and Software Architecture, SAR. Sometimes only the short versions will be listed and not the full name of the study field. Then you need to fill out your specific information, which is like your personal information. For example, you need to fill out your last name, then you type in your last name. Now we will type in Mustermann, like a popular German example name, where the first name is called Max. Now you need to fill out where your application is from. If you are like from Germany, you will type in simply TH Cologne. But if you're an international student, you should pick UniAssist. It's basically the way how you're applying. And where you're applying from, you also get an application number. Now I'm not applying, so I don't have one, but you should fill in here a number. No, you need to choose a study field, like IT management, or data information sciences, business information, software architecture. It's a drop-down list, so you cannot make a typo here. For now, we'll just leave it at IT management. Then you need to fill out of your previous study achievement, how your program was called, the degree, what university, and how many credits you gained there. Now I'm filling this out for a study program in a TH Cologne, which is called Allgemeine Informatik. It's a bachelor's degree, and the university is obviously TH Cologne in Germany. The total credit points based on my module listed in a catalog of modules is 180. Then you please listen to the descriptions above so you don't make a mistake. And here you need to list all modules as they are listed in your program catalog, and then you need to fill out how many credits they are. This is like the most important step, that you list all the modules you had in your previous degree with the credit points. And then later on, you need to give a little self-evaluation of in which focus area they belong. Information about the focus areas are linked here as well. And you just can read and try to figure out how you would rate each subject. I did that before. And if you're like missing evaluation, the line will be yellow. This is just some feedback for you. If you have like no idea how you would fill it, you can leave it blank as well, but Excel will give you some feedback where you're missing. Down below, we get to a little calculation. Your total credit points here should match the total credit points you read from your study program catalog. And here is just a sum of how many credits you gained in each focus area. Then the credit points will be scaled to 180. I was calling this credit points, but it doesn't matter how it's called in your country. It's just the number and how you calculate how much time went into this module. And it will be in our calculation all scaled to 180, because 180 is just a standard we have here right now. I haven't sorted like sorted mathematics 1 in any of this. So here my total squared isn't 180 like it's here, but 173. We can fill it out for mathematics, which in my case would be sorted into generating and accessing knowledge. Here the table calculates, or does both table calculate, how it's decided if you are enlightened or not is based on which focus areas or subjects would be sorted to. And this table isn't something any of us like imagined, or it's like the threshold for it is linked right here, and it's on the TH Cologne side. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an English side, it's only in German. Right here, you get your first automatic feedback. Like, this isn't like a guarantee that you are eligible for a specialization, but it can give you a quick first overview if you can apply there or not, or maybe you can apply for another one and it gives where you don't have to earn the missing credits if you aren't so sure about it. Here at the end, here's a button to check if everything is correct, if you forgot something in any line. Right now, I don't have an error, but if I cut out my X in mathematics 1 again, click the button, then it can tell me that I need a focus area for my module mathematics 1 in the row 32. This is also a help for you if you wanted to fill out everything and see if everything's correct. If you are done with your completion, then please convert your file to CSV file and upload it to Skibo as listed on the Digital Master site. And don't be disencouraged if you might not be eligible for a specialization. The way we are calculating the credits is just a quick and dirty method to give your first feedback. The final decision is made by the professor. Thank you for listening, and we wish you much success applying.